Hello friends, welcome back to Data Academy, your go-to channel for data analytics tips, DAX solutions and career advice that actually works. Today, we are fixing the resume mistakes that are costing you your dream job. If you have been sending resumes but not getting interview calls, this video is for you. By the end, you will know exactly how to make your resume stand out and get noticed by the recruiters. Mistake number one, only focusing on tools. Many freshers walk into interviews with a list of tools such as Excel, SQL, Power BI and think that's enough. But imagine you tell someone you have a hammer, a screwdriver, and a drill, but you can't explain what you have built with them. For every tool you mention, have at least one example of a real use case. For example, if you see using SQL, I wrote queries to pull monthly sales data and identify the top 5 performing regions. This shows not just your knowledge but the application. The second mistake is not practicing problem solving out loud. Data analyst interviews often have scenario based questions. For example, if you had customers purchase data, how would you find the products that are bought together? Most freshers either give a one line answer or freeze. To fix it, practice thinking out loud for this question. You could say, first, I would check the transactions tables to identify unique order IDs. Then, I would group items per order to see combinations. And finally, I would filter for most frequent pairs. Even if you don't know the exact code, showing structured thinking makes the interviewer trust about you. The third mistake is ignoring soft skills. Here is the truth. Even for data analytics, your ability to communicate is as important as your ability to analyze. You might have the best SQL solutions, but if you mumble or sound unsure, your messages get lost. To try to fix this, record yourself answering 5 random interview questions. Watch your tone, speed, and body language. Maintain light eye contact, use hand gestures naturally, and speak in short, clear sentences. Remember, analysts often present findings to non technical managers who need clarity, not complexity. The fourth mistake is not enough research about the company. Nothing kills an interview faster than not knowing what the company actually does. This question is a chance to show you care, and most freshers blow it. To fix it before the interview, spend at least 15 minutes on their website. Look at the About Us page, recent news, and the industry they are into. Then relate your answers based upon your research. For example, since you work in a retail analytics, I am excited about the chance to work on a customer purchase behavior and seasonal trend analysis. That's a specific, relevant, and memorable. Try to frame your answer according to the company you are applying for and the research you made on that company. And the last mistake is weak resume story. A lot of freshers list certifications, online courses, and skills, but no proof of applying them. This is the problem. Recruiters don't have time to imagine what you could do. They want you to see what you have done. To fix this, add at least 2 to 3 mini projects or case studies in your resume. This can be from internships, or you can say Kaggle datasets or your own created datasets. For each, clearly show the problem, the tools you have used, the process, and the insight found. Even if a self created sales dashboard in Power BI can be more powerful than a generic list of skills. So remember, your goal isn't just to prove you know the tools, but to prove what you can think like an analyst. Communicate like a professional and care like a future team member. These 5 small changes can turn a rejection into an offer. If you found this helpful, I have more videos or real interview questions, resume tips, and beginner friendly analytics projects. Hit like, subscribe, and share this with a fresher who is preparing right now. You are watching Data Academy, making data simple, one video at a time. Thank you.